Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable crossplay to play with friends in Roller Champions. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Roller Champions game. Once you open game, you simply need to click here in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. And once you are in setting, you simply need to click on here, and then you need to click again, and then you are on the gameplay section. Once you are in gameplay section, you see the first option in general, enable crossplay. You simply need to turn that on. So you can see that it is now turned on. So this is a process by which you can enable crossplay on the Roller Champions. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.